Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a modern homepage layout with Framer. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening Framer and creating a new project. Select the canvas size appropriate for your homepage layout. Explore the available templates and choose one that resonates with your design vision. Once the template is loaded, familiarize yourself with the Framer interface. Start by adding a background to your homepage. Click on the background layer and choose a color or image that fits your theme. Next, let's add a header section at the top of the page. Use the text tool to insert your site's name or logo in the header area. Adjust the font style, size, and alignment to match your preferences. Below the header, create a navigation menu. Add links to essential pages like Home, About, Services, and Contact. For each menu item, customize the text and ensure it's easy to read. Now, let's move to the main content area. Use the rectangle tool to create a large section for your main content. Consider adding a hero image or video to capture visitors' attention. Import your media into the project and position it nicely. Overlay a catchy headline and subheading on top of the hero image. Next, add a call to action button below the headline. Customize the button's text and style to make it stand out. Below the hero section, create separate blocks for additional content. You might want to include features, testimonials, or a portfolio. Utilize the grid or flexbox layout to organize these content blocks. Import any necessary images for these sections. Be sure to keep the spacing consistent throughout the layout. Move on to the footer section at the bottom of the page. Add text for copyright and any required links. Consider including social media icons for better connectivity. Review your layout for consistency in typography and color. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.